Getting perfect laundry without wasting resources matters. That's why we have developed IDOS, our intelligent dosing system, which does everything fully automatically. Simply fill up just once, and IDOS automatically measures the precise amount of detergent and water needed for every different load. The first IDOS chamber can store a 1-litre bottle of common liquid detergent. The second IDOS chamber can store half a litre of a different liquid detergent or softener. And the third chamber for manual dosing can hold powder detergent or special additives for more challenging loads. And this is how it works. Simply select the automatic program and IDOS takes care of the rest. During the wash cycle, IDOS intelligently weighs your laundry and detects the type of fabrics to adjust the precise amount of water needed. It takes into account the water hardness level and detergent concentration. And its automatic soil detection assesses how dirty the clothes are. Then, IDOS automatically measures the precise amount of detergent and water needed for each load. Thanks to IDOS, the intelligent dosing system, you will never use too much detergent again. As a result, you can save up to 38% of detergent with less water wasted. This is IDOS by Bosch, the intelligent dosing system.